Here it is just a day later, and there's a mature narrow-leafed milkweed pod sucker. And that's a beautiful picture of the seeds and the little down that makes them drift away. And you can see when it's packed, how the seeds are packed tight. And then as they dry, it gets downier and downier and more of the filaments to catch the wind. And over here, there we go, is another pod, and you can see how all the seeds are lined up. And the, wait a minute, let me get this smaller. There you go. The seeds are all lined up, and the outer fibers expand come out of that pod, and then expand as they dry and get kicked around, and then they fly out first and successively down the pod to the upper left there. And to the rescue, someplace here I've seen two ladybugs, and they're after these aphids. And you can see, boy, they've covered those pods perfectly. They're going to town. But the ladybugs chase them off. Lady beetles, I should say. There we are, hiding down here. There's one. Or is that two? Yeah, that's one. Yeah. And they'll, within the course of 3 or 4 days, they'll get rid of all those aphids. So, in the other video, I called them the threadleaf milkweed. They're called narrow-leafed milkweeds. And they're pretty much native to just the West Coast, California being the main area. They're perennials. They live, they like the soil when it cracks. They die back, and the roots kind of expand along the cracks in the soil, and they hold all the carbohydrates and everything, so that in the spring they pop back up and come up with these nice tall shoots, and the process starts all over if you can get the monarchs to stop. But anyway, thanks for watching.